வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இப்போ இந்த எபிசோடில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1 எக்கனாமிக்ஸில், அதாவது பொருளாதாரத்தில் கேட்கப்பட்ட 2015 ஒரு 13 கேள்விகள், 2017 ஒரு 15 கேள்விகள், மொத்தம் 28 கேள்விகள், 28 கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ஓகே, வில் கோ டு தி கொஸ்டின். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1. Agriculture unemployment may be classified into 1. Seasonal unemployment, 2. Disguised unemployment, 3. Chronic unemployment. Which is the correct answer? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Filling the blanks. National Population Policy adopted in 2000 with a view to encourage dash and aim at stabilizing the population by dash. A. 2-child norm 2020, B. 1-child norm 2030, C. 2-child norm 2046, D. 1-child norm 2050. The correct answer is C. 2-child norm 2046. 3. Match the following and select the correct answer. A. Tax revenue, provident fund. B. Capital receipts, taxes on income and expenditure. C. Non-plan expenditure, sales tax. D. Value added tax, interest payment. So the correct answer is C, that is 2, 1, 4, 3. Tax revenue, that is taxes on income and expenditure. Capital receipt, provident fund. Non-plan expenditure, interest payment. Value added tax, that is sales tax. Fourth question. The National Statistical Commission of India was headed by A. Mandak Singh Ahluwalia, B. C. Rangarajan, C. Raghuram Rajan, D. V.K.R.V. Rao. The correct answer is B. C. Rangarajan. Fifth question. The structure of Indian financial system does not include A. Industrial finance, B. Agriculture finance, C. Development finance, D. Deficit finance. The correct answer is D. Deficit finance. Sixth question. The MGNREGA differ from the poverty alleviation measures in the following respects. 1. It focuses on income generation to the target poor. 2. It is built around the notions of citizens and entitlement. 3. It facilitates disclosure by means of regular and social audit. 4. It operates as per directions of state and central governments. A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 4, D. 2 and 4. The correct answer is B. 2 and 3. Seventh question. Justice D.P. Vatwa Committee was appointed by the Supreme Court to examine A. Insurance schemes, B. The level of black money in the country, C. Functioning of rural development programs, D. The public distribution system. The correct answer is D. The public distribution system. Eighth question. The nutrient-based subsidy (NBS) policy was for fertilizers were implemented in India in A. 1966, B. 1977, C. 1994, D. 2010. The correct answer is D. 2010. Ninth question. Which of the following is or incorrectly matched? Select your answer using the codes given. 1. Credit creation, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. 2. Commercial bank accepting deposits. C. Reserve Bank of India, control of credit. 3. Quantitative control, scheduled banks. A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 2 and 4 only, D. 1 and 4. The correct answer is A. 1 only. The phase of rapid growth of population in India falls. A. Between 1891 to 1921, B. Between 1921 to 1951, C. Between 1951 to 1981, D. Between 1981 to 2001. The correct answer is C. Between 1951 to 1981. 11th question. Industry which is reserved for public sector in new economic policy. A. Atomic energy, B. Cotton industry, C. Sugar industry, D. Tea industry. The correct answer is A. Atomic energy. 12th question. Arrange the following sectors in India descending order according to the commercial energy consumption. 1. Household sector, 2. Agriculture, 3. Industries, 4 transport. The answer is B 3 4 1 2. That is industries first, second transport, third household sector, fourth agriculture. 13th question. Indradhanush introduced by the central government in the year 2015 August aims at A. Establishing a separate ombudsman for private sector banks. B. Reviewing or revamping public sector banks. C. Reviewing non-banking financial institutions. D. Introducing new bank in rural areas. The correct answer is B. Reviewing or revamping public sector banks. Okay, hereafter we will go to 2017 economic question. So number continues. The 14th question. The main function of Niti Aayog does not include A. Monitoring and evaluation of programs and initiatives. B. Developing mechanism to promote credible plans at village level. C. Dispersal of funds to central ministries and state governments. D. Fostering cooperative federalism and designing strategic policy. The correct answer is dispersal of funds to central ministries and state governments. 15th question. The term demographic dividend refers to A. Decline in population. B. Increase in working class. C. Decline in birth rate. D. Decline in fertility rate. The correct answer is B. Increase in working class. 16th question. The largest share of energy is consumed by A. Agriculture. B. Rural power supply. C. Urban power supply. D. Industry. The correct answer is C. Urban power supply. 17th question. The Right to Education Act 2019 is related to A. Primary education. B. Quality education. C. Free education. D. Higher education. The correct answer is higher education. 18th question. The Lorentz curve is a measure of A. Poverty. B. Income inequalities. C. Inflation rate. D. Tax structure. The correct answer is B. Income inequalities. 19th question. The chairman of the 14th Finance Commission in India. A. C. Rangarajan. B. Sri Vijay Kelkar. C. Dr. A. M. Kushru. D. Dr. Y. V. Reddy. The correct answer is D. Dr. Y. V. Reddy. 20th question. The Planning Commission of India was changed into Niti Aayog in dash dash. A. March 2015. B. January 2015. C. December 2015. D. April 2015. The correct answer is B. January 2015. 21st question. The LBG model of development was introduced in dash by the finance minister dash. A. 1991 Dr. Manmohan Singh. B. 1995 Sri Pranab Mukherjee. 2000 Sri P. Chidambaram. D. 2000 Sri Yashwant Sinha. The correct answer is A. 1991 Dr. Manmohan Singh. 22nd question. The human population is currently exhibiting A. Logistic growth. B. Exponential growth. C. Arithmetic growth. D. Zero growth. The correct answer is B. Exponential growth. 23rd question. In an open economy, GDP is the sum of A. Consumption, gross investment, government spending and net exports. B. Consumption, net investment, government spending and net exports. C. Consumption, gross investment, government spending and gross exports. D. Wages, rent, interest, profit and depreciation. The correct answer is A. Consumption, gross investment, gross spending and net exports. 24th question. The minimum support prices are the means of supporting the dash farmers, B. Consumers, C. Industries, D. Retailers. The correct answer is A. Farmers. 25th question. Which one of the following is an indirect tax? A. Income tax. B. Service tax. C. Corporation tax. D. Interest tax. The correct answer is B. Service tax. 26th question. India's Human Development Index HDI in 2017 was better than that of 1. China, 2. Sri Lanka, 3. Bangladesh, 4. South Africa. The choices are A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 3, 4. C. 3. D. 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is C. 3. 27th question. The Indian government gets dash percent of India's total energy needs are met through imports of A 30%, B 40%, C 20%, D 35%. The correct answer is A 30%. 28th question. Mr. Ladzinski, an American expert on inland reforms, detailed study observed that one of the following districts worst in land tenure system in Tamil Nadu. A. Namakkal, B. Erode, C. Tanjavur, D. Karur. The correct answer is C. Tanjavur. Thank you very much. So in economics, we will see two more years, 2011 and 14 in the next video. Thank you very much once again.